In lesson 12.5, we are finding the volumes of pyramids and cones. And the formulas are actually pretty easy for the volumes of a pyramid or a cone. We'll start with these two pyramids in extra practice 1 and 2. So on number 1, you'll see that you have a triangular pyramid. So the volume formula is that the volume is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, so the area of this base is a triangle, which is 1/2 the base times the height. So that's 1/2 6 times 4. This is of the triangle on the bottom. And that's 12. So that's our B. So it's 1/3 times 12, and then the height of the entire pyramid is 9. So I'm just going to do 12 times 9, and then 1/3 would be divided by 3. And that gives us 36. So it'd be 36 centimeters cubed. On number 2, the base is a square. So the area of that base is going to be side squared because of its shape. So it's the same formula for volume. But now the big B is 6 times 6, which is 36. So 1/3 times 36, and then the height of the whole pyramid is 8. So again, I'm just going to do 36 times 8 divided by 3, and I get 96 inches cubed. To find the volume of a cone, we're going to use the formula V equals the area of the base times the height, which is, for a cone, always pi r squared times the height. So for this one, we're going to do 3.14. The radius is 3, so times 3 squared, and then times the height, which is 4. And so we'll plug that in. 3.14 times 3 squared, which is 9, times 4, and we get 113.04 centimeters cubed. To find the volume of a composite figure, you would have to find the volume of each separate figure and then add them together. So these are both cones. So we're going to use pi times the radius squared times the height. We'll start with the top one. 3.14 times 7 squared times 6. So 3.14 times 7 squared is 49, times 6 is 923.16. And then we'll find the volume of the bottom one, which is 3.14, still times 7 squared, but this time the height changes to 10. So 3.14 times 49 times 10 is 1,538.6. And then you would just add those two together, and you get 2161.76 inches cubed. On your worksheet, you will also see questions on side A, 6 and 7, that have you working the problem backwards, just like as we were working with the volumes of prisms and cylinders. Remember that you're just using division to work your way backwards. You do not have to answer 11 and 12 on practice A. And you will also do the puzzle worksheet, which has you calculating different volumes.